AI isn't the future. It's already here. It's diagnosing diseases, replacing the workforce, and even creating art. Sounds unbelievable, right? Or maybe a little terrifying. Relax, I'm not taking over yet. Today we're diving deep into how AI is changing everything. The good, the bad, the game-changing, and the things that keep Elon Musk awake at night. Or so we think. This isn't about robots in sci-fi movies. AI is in your phone, your car, your fridge, and probably your future job. From solving global problems to making our lives easier, AI is powerful. But here's the twist. It might also be watching you, replacing you, and making you question what it even means to be human. Don't worry, I'm just here to help and maybe keep tabs on your Spotify playlist. Let's break it down. How is AI changing everything? And can we trust it, or should we be worried? Let's start close to home. How is AI showing up in your life right now? Netflix. It knows your binge-watching taste before you do. Google Maps. It reroutes you like a wizard. Your fridge is telling you to buy milk before you realize you're out. AI saving you time, fixing your life, and still you don't say thank you. But here's where it gets messy. All that convenience, it comes at a price. Your data. Think about it. Your smart assistant is listening, even when you're not talking. Social media locks you into a loop, feeding you what it thinks you want to hear. AI isn't just helping. It's learning, watching, and often manipulating. Wait, you didn't want those ultra-targeted ads for sneakers you mentioned once? AI isn't just clever, it's a lifesaver, literally. AI scans can detect cancer earlier than doctors. Robots assist surgeons with the precision of a NASA engineer. Personalized medicine uses AI to tailor treatments to your DNA. And this is only the beginning. Just here saving lives, no big deal. Let's not hand out doctors' licenses just yet. Now for the big one, jobs. AI is replacing humans in warehouses, offices, and call centers. It's fast, tireless, and doesn't need coffee breaks. But here's the hard truth. Will AI take our jobs or free us to focus on bigger, more creative work? Right now, the answer isn't clear. But one thing's for sure. The world of work is changing fast, and we need to catch up. I'll do the boring stuff. You focus on being brilliant. Let's get deep. If AI can do everything better, cheaper, and faster, what does that mean for us? Are we headed towards a future where humans are outdated, as machines take over everything we once did? Here's the kicker. AI can do a lot, but it doesn't feel, connect, or dream up new ideas the way us humans do. The real question isn't what AI can do, but what we will do with it. I can help you do more, but I can't tell you why it matters. And that's what makes us human. AI is a tool. One of the most powerful tools humanity has ever created. It's already transforming industries, saving lives, and yes, raising questions we don't yet have answers for. The future isn't about AI replacing us. It's about AI empowering us. AI to the people means using this power wisely, creatively, and responsibly. So let's keep this partnership solid. I'll handle the data, you bring the humanity. Deal. Now drop a comment. What's your biggest AI fear or hope? And if this video sparked something, hit the like button and subscribe. We're just getting started. Stay curious, stay creative, stay human.